get to know the challenges and the problems they are going through. We know you are going through a number of challenges, and we want to know, get first-hand information to what you are going through, so that we can see whether we can solve this problem. The school lacks, there is a gap that the teachers need to build in their capacity to deliver, to run the school effectively, so that even the students can be able to capture a number of things and even develop their capacity. What gaps do you have? What challenges are you going through that need to be rectified, that need to be closed?
Thank you so much. When it comes to teachers, the challenges that our teachers are facing, we need to have staff development, as in terms of empowering them, having some kind of more training, so that they are competent enough to handle the learners. Then the other thing, we still have a challenge of the instructional materials, things to do with the textbooks, and which they can be reference books, which they can be used when they are preparing for their lessons to go and teach the learners. So that's quite a very big challenge that we are facing. But once we improve in such areas,